Okay, so this is going to be for 3.8. And today is 16. And our question is, how can you determine what you need to deposit to reach your financial goal? Okay, so let's say, so everybody, this is so single compound principal. Okay, so this is for a single deposit. Okay, so it's going to be balance. So principal is equal to, and it's going to be the balance. Scroll down, and then it's 1 plus the rate. Scroll down and left, and then raise to the number of times compounded times the time. Okay. Okay, so let's do an example, everybody. So let's say, so Reed just graduated. He wants $10,000 in savings. After 10 years. Let's say he wants it for a car or for a down payment on a house. Okay, so how much should he deposit at 3.8% interest compounded daily? Okay, so the formula, it's a single deposit. So it's simple compound principal because he wants, so how much should he deposit? We're trying to find the principal. Okay, it's going to be, so we're solving for the principal. The balance, he wants 10,000. The rate, remember, drop the percent sign and go to left, add the decimal and the 0. So 0.038. The time is going to be 10 years. It's compounded daily, 365 days in a year. Okay, so we're going to do that. So we're going to put all these together. So we're going to have 10,000 all over. We're going to put divided by 1 plus 0.038. Scroll down, and then it's going to be 365. Scroll to the left, raised to 365, so n times t times 10. Okay, and so his principal is $6,838.75. Okay, the interest is going to be balance minus the principal, so 10,000 minus $6,838.75. So the interest is $3,161.25. Okay. So that would be with a single deposit. Most people actually do multiple deposits. Okay, so that's more common, everybody. So that's our multiple compound principal. Okay. So as they're planning for their future, looking like towards retirement, saving for a down payment on a house, saving up for a car, vacation. Okay, so it's going to be principal is equal to, it's going to be the balance times the rate divided by n. I'm going to scroll left, scroll down. It just kind of depends on everybody what you're using. Then you're going to scroll down, and then it's going to be double parentheses, 1 plus the rate divided by n, parentheses, raised to the n times t, scroll left, minus 1. Okay. Again, everybody, you always want to make sure you're having your pairs of parentheses on this one. So same thing as we did before. So make sure you're having your pairs of parentheses. That's going to be key for this one. Okay. Okay, so let's use this example. Okay, so we have, so Brianna, okay, she installed an air conditioner. She needs to get a new air conditioner in 3 years. Switch colors. Okay, she estimates it's going to cost about $8,000. Okay, so how much should she deposit? So again, everybody knows we're solving for the deposit monthly. Into an account at 4% interest, compounded monthly. Okay, so we know that we're going to do, so we're going to identify all the variables. Okay, so the formula, she's depositing monthly, everybody. So it's multiple compound principal. Okay, and then it's going to be, she's going to deposit, we're solving, so the balance, she wants to have $8,000. Her rate is going to be 4% as a decimal, so 0.04. The time is going to be 3 years. It's compounded monthly, 4%, drop the percent sign, go to the left, okay. So 3 years was her time. Okay, so we identified all the variables. Now we can put that all back in this formula. So it's going to be principal is equal to, okay, so it's going to be our $8,000 times our rate divided by number of times compounded, so 12, okay, all over, double parentheses, 1 plus, point, the rate divided by number of times compounded, so 0.04 divided by 12, raised to the 12 times the time, which is 3 years, minus 1, okay, make sure everybody you do that, go over, scroll to the left on this one. Okay, so the principal, so how much does she need to deposit every month is $209.53. Okay, so that's how much she needs to deposit. We're going to figure out the interest. So interest is equal to balance minus the principal times n times t. Okay, so our balance was $8,000 minus the $209.53 times 12 times 3. So everybody, this is to figure out how much interest she earned, how much money she earned on her money. So we get $456.92. You got this, everybody.